What's up, my loves? Welcome back to the channel. This is Tanisha and I feel so pretty today because I love wearing ethnic, but I realize that I'm not wearing ethnic. Welcome to this channel. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe this video if you like this channel, and also check me out on my Instagram account क्योंकि वहाँ पे बहुत सारे styling ideas, tips, photographs. Today's video is going to be very special and really informative because I'm going to give you the entire look from top to bottom. So in this video you will see the makeup look, how I've created this ethnic makeup look. Along with that I will tell you about the whole outfit and how I style my ethnic piece and everything, along with the links and everything. Let's just begin with the makeup first. I already prepped my skin with moisturizer and sunscreen, which is super duper important. Now moving on to the other steps of the primer, which I'm going to use this color bar primer. In the screen it might not look a lot, but it does a huge game change for my pores on the face. Now moving on to the facial oil, which is going to change the whole game over here, which is going to give that dewy and glowy look. Ethnic look mein I always use facial oil, as you can already see the glow. Moving in with the matte foundation from Fit Me, which is going to be in the shade 220 natural beige. And next up the concealer from NY Bay, and this is in the shade 02 vanilla. Applying it only on the high points of my face and then just dabbing it all in. I love to dab it slowly and take my time with it. Moving to the loose powder and just setting up all of the places where I use the concealer. Now you see this trick of using the blush, which is from the high point and not just on the cheek. This gives such a snatched look to your face. Trust me, it makes a huge difference when you apply it on the higher points. And now blending in with this edgy sponge that we have and not the normal one. For the eyebrows, I'm going to use this Color Essence eyebrow pencil, and I do not do much with my eyebrow. I just go in and give like an edge to my eyebrow. So you can see I'm going to just give slight strokes so that I can create this edge over here. And brushing the eyebrows is my favorite thing. If eyeshadow, we are using this Wet n Wild palette, and I'm going to mix this transition shade and the brown shade along with this fluffy brush. We're going to use this tube, like any tube you can use, and just place it like this. This gives like a very nice finishing to the eyebrow. You can see I'm holding the brush from quite a long distance so that it gives least amount of pressure, and we just need to build up the eyeshadow through the time and not just kind of give like huge strokes on it. Now next I'm going to use the color of this brown color over here, and next up with this flat brush we are going to use the black shade from the NY Bay palette that I have, and we just need to pat it up like this and not mix it or something like that, because you need to be very careful when you're using black eyeshadow. Now using the fluffy side of the brush, yet again we are going to just blend it out to the crease area again slightly, and then using the same shades for the under eyes over here, like the waterline, I just going to apply the transition shade and then the slightly dark brown sort of a shade. This could have been done before as well, I just kind of forgot. Now for the eyeliner, I'm just going to create a wing liner, which is very difficult to show on camera, but anyways we're going to do a wing liner which is going to be a thin wing liner and not like very sharp or bold, because you just want the look to be more smoky. And using the eyelash curler and also this mascara from Inside Cosmetics, we are just going to curl up the lashes, which makes a huge difference. And then the mascara, also this highlighter from Sugar Cosmetics makes a huge difference. Like in ethnic look I always apply golden shade ka highlighter, which I usually may sometimes skip. Now moving on to the lips, which I'm going to use my OG lip liner from Swiss Beauty, and I'm going to mix two lipsticks from NYX lingerie collection as well as the Mama Earth lipstick, which one of them is like very beige nude and this Mama Earth one is slightly like in the brown sort of a shade. So that is why I'm going to mix both of them, just setting up this with the fixing spray, and you see the whole look. Okay, now that you saw the whole makeup look, let me tell you how I put together the whole outfit, and I'll tell you where did I get it from and stuff like that. So this is a yellow kurta, which is from Myntra that I got. It's a very basic kurta, to be honest, because it's not much of a detailing or much of a work or something like that. It is completely simple and plain. Absolutely cotton material. very good material quality of this kurta. Summers ke hisab se to it's like appropriate, and it also has like a button detailing over here that you can see, slight button detail. And I got this one in the size medium, which is absolutely true to size, so definitely go for your own size only. And then along with that, what I was wearing is a white jean. So you can also go for a white plazo or white leggings or something like that, but I will give the link for that as well down below. Kurta jo hai na, it's a very long kurta, so if it's a long kurta, you can easily pair up jeans along with this, which I usually do. So this is the white pant that I have, and this pant I originally got from Urbanic, so you can find this one on Urbanic also, you can find this one on Myntra as well. It's going to be one link, and in that single link you will find everything, so don't worry about that. And I got this jeans in the size 28 waist. On top of that, I have got this dupatta. Now the thing about this dupatta is that you see all of these detailing, all of this work, and this nice beautiful stuff. So this is a completely customized dupatta that I styled all by myself. So originally I just got this white dupatta that you see for, I think so, I got this from a local market in Pune, FC Road. I have made a video of FC Road as well. If you have not seen that, you can check that out. If you are from Pune, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा उसमें you will get a very nice guide of FC Road, what you can get and what not. And on top of that, I added this gota patti that you see over here. Along with that, I added a strap of this like latkan sort of a thing that you see. ये पूरा मैंने खरीद के इसमें डाला था. It costed me around like 1500 or something like that. So it is a pretty expensive stuff. It's just kind of an inspiration if you want to use, or if you want to make a dupatta or customize a dupatta all by yourself, then you can definitely do something like this. So there you go, I'm back in this attire, which looks absolutely pretty, that you can see. Because this dupatta is so heavy, I did not add up anything in the neck area, and I'm going to wear this very pretty jhumkas. I got this one from Sarojini Nagar. I do have a Sarojini Nagar haul already up on my channel, so if you've not checked that out, you're completely missing out on that, because that was the very first time that I visited Delhi, and I just went to Delhi just for Sarojini Nagar haul. So, and also just because the sleeves are like these 3/4 sort of sleeves, so I thought ki haath khali rakhne se acha we should add some more like oxidized jewelry. So just because earrings are oxidized, that's why I'm going to go for oxidized jewelry as well. Otherwise I would have gone for a watch or a bracelet or something like that. And this is also like a bangle sort of a style. This again I got from Sarojini Nagar itself. And yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it.